Viewers, we have breaking news coming in 24 hours before polls. Yesterday, on the occasion of Ram Navami, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has written personalized letters to all the BJP and NDA election candidates who will be fighting the Lok Sabha polls tomorrow. We have accessed one such letter. It's part of an exercise by the BJP to reach out to everyone in the constituency. Swati is standing by with the letter that he has written to K. Annamalai. Let's go over to Swati.
Well, yes, absolutely, Ankit. Like you said, the Prime Minister has written these personalized letters to the Karyakartas, and one written to K. Annamalai has been accessed by us. Let me take you through it. It says, "My fellow Karyakarta K. Annamalai ji, it's a pleasure to write to you on the auspicious occasion of Ram Navami. I hope that this letter finds you in good health. I congratulate you on your decision to leave a prestigious job and commit to serving the people directly. You have been truly instrumental in fortifying BJP's grassroots presence across Tamil Nadu, championing critical issues including law enforcement, governance and youth empowerment. Coimbatore stands to gain immensely from your committed leadership. With the blessings of the people, I am confident that you will reach Parliament. Team members like you are a great asset for me. As a team, we will leave no stone unturned for the welfare of the people of constituency and the country. Through this letter, I would like to tell you, the people of your constituency, that this is not an ordinary election. Families across India, especially the senior members, would remember the difficulties they've gone through in the 5-6 decades of Congress's rule. In the last 10 years, the quality of life of every section of society has improved, with many of these troubles removed. Yet a lot more is still to be done, and this election will be decisive in our mission to ensure a better life for everyone. Further, he says, this election is an opportunity to connect our present with our bright future. Every vote that the BJP gets will go towards forming a stable government and impart momentum in our journey to become a developed nation by 2047. At this crucial time, I also urge you and all other workers to make full use of the last few hours of the election campaign. At the same time, I also request you to take care of your health and that of other people around you. I'm aware that the summer heat poses problems to everyone, but this election is extremely important for the future of our nation. Therefore, I appeal to the voters to cast their votes early in the morning before the heat sets in. As a candidate of the BJP, I urge you to convey my assurance to each voter that every moment of my time is dedicated to the welfare of my fellow citizens." So from writing this personalized letter in which he's congratulating Annamalai, to talking about his constituency to 2047, to even keeping in mind that the heat...
Stay with us. We have Amit joining us on the phone. Amit, the most striking feature is how personalized it is. Has he written 543 such letters?
जी देखिए, मुझे लगता है यही प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की जो सबसे बड़ी यूएसपी कह सकते हैं, खासियत है कि जो कनेक्ट है, जो एक एक मतदाता तक पहुंचने का कनेक्ट है, ये उनकी ताकत है। और इसी के तहत जो चिट्ठी लिखी गई है उसमें साफ शब्दों में कहा गया है कि ये कैसे चुनाव जो है ये खास चुनाव है, स्पेशल चुनाव है, और उसमें कांग्रेस के शासनकाल में किस तरह से हम लोगों ने जो कष्ट झेला है, पूरे परिवार ने झेला है, जो बुजुर्ग रहे हैं उन्होंने जो कष्ट झेला है, उससे मुक्ति पाने का एक पल है। उस तरह से उन्होंने इस पूरी चीज को डिस्क्राइब किया और साथ ही ये कहा कि हर मतदाता तक इसको पहुंचाए। और मुझे लगता है एक जो आउटरीच हो सकता है, उससे बेहतर चीज नहीं हो सकता है कि मतदान से ठीक पहले प्रधानमंत्री ने सभी को जो उम्मीदवार है एनडीए और बीजेपी, उनको एक चिट्ठी लिखकर इस खास मौके पर, क्योंकि चुनाव जो है वो 5 साल के लिए चुना जाता है, तो ऐसे में उस उम्मीदवार के बारे में भी और उनसे भी ये कहा गया कि आप किस तरह से बड़ी भूमिका निभाने वाले हैं। ये मौका जो है ये न सिर्फ सांसद जो बन रहे हैं या चुनाव जो लड़ रहे हैं उनके लिए, बल्कि देश की हर आम लोगों के लिए। तो ये प्रधानमंत्री का अपना तरीका है, एक उनका आउटरीच आप कह सकते हैं कि इससे बेहतर तरीका नहीं हो सकता। और यही खासियत है कि कैसे प्रधानमंत्री कनेक्ट करते हैं जो दूर दराज का बैठा हुआ जो एक व्यक्ति है, जो वोटर होगा, उस तक पहुंचने की प्रधानमंत्री की एक कोशिश के तौर पर आप इसे देख सकते हैं।
Right, absolutely. I thank Amit for that, and also Swati for reading out that letter. Viewers, 24 hours from now, people will be flocking to the polling booths. We are at about that time. The Lok Sabha elections will begin tomorrow. We'll get you more on updates as the day goes on. Taking a short break right now.